Copper wire scrapping, folks. 2020. Check this out. Got a little bucket full of wire there, but I had all my wire in that trash can. It rained and then snowed and then rained and then froze, and now I gotta chop most of my wire out because it's frozen into a big ice ball. Look at it, folks. Frozen into a big ice ball. Holy shit. Frozen scrapping day today. Copper ice ball. Imagine that's what it's like scrapping up in the friggin' North Pole. Oh yeah, I gotta get this wire in, see what we get. Probably only gonna get half of it out. There we got it. Shit's breaking off here pretty easily. Alright. Got more copper wire here going in, folks. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, scrapping 2020. This is what I got for scrapping today. I had copper number 2 with insulation, which was all the friggin' wires from computers and stuff like that. It should have been number 3, but he took 10 pounds off of it because of all the stuff that he's going to have to cut off the friggin' wire. And he gave me number 2 price. What? Because it's a little bit better. It would have been 25 cents a pound for the other one, and it's 45 cents for that. Copper number 1, which is the thicker wire. I had 62 pounds. Like I said, if I would have stripped the friggin' wire, I would have got more money. I would have got $3 or two bucks a pound actually, instead of 75 cents. But a lot of coating on them wires, ladies and gentlemen. And I had a little bit of aluminum, 35 cents a pound for that. Equals out to $57.25. Not bad for ice scrapping copper wire, ladies and gentlemen. A little bit of ice scrapping. Next time I'm stripping the wire. What?